Once upon a time, deep beneath the earth's surface, there was a secret world filled with bubbling cauldrons of gooey, glowing stuff. This magical place was called the Magma Chamber, and it was where all the action happened in the land of Volcania. In this mysterious realm, there lived a mischievous little blob named Moltie. Moltie was made of magma, the hot, molten rock that flowed and bubbled like melted cheese on a pizza. He was always up to something, poking and prodding at the walls of the chamber, curious about what lay beyond. One day, Moltie got a brilliant idea. "I'm tired of being cooped up in this stuffy old chamber," he exclaimed. "I want to see the world up above." So, with a determined sizzle, Moltie began his great adventure, squeezing and squishing his way through tiny cracks and crevices in the earth's crust. As Moltie ventured closer to the surface, he encountered all sorts of obstacles along the way. There were stubborn rocks that refused to budge, grumpy gases that made him cough and sputter, and even sneaky pockets of water that threatened to douse his fiery spirit. But Moltie was not one to give up easily. With each obstacle, he pushed harder and burned brighter, fueled by his fiery determination to see what lay beyond. Finally, after much sizzling and sputtering, Moltie burst through to the surface with a triumphant roar. As he emerged into the open air, Moltie couldn't believe his eyes. He was greeted by a breathtaking sight, a landscape of towering mountains, lush forests, and sparkling oceans stretched out before him. It was like nothing he had ever seen before. But just as Moltie was beginning to enjoy his newfound freedom, he felt a strange rumbling deep within the earth. Suddenly, with a deafening roar, the ground beneath him began to shake and tremble as if the earth itself were angry. Realizing what was happening, Moltie looked up to see a towering mountain of rock and fire rising up before him. It was a volcano, and it was about to blow its top. With a yelp of surprise, Moltie scrambled to safety as the volcano erupted in a spectacular display of fiery fury. Lava spewed from the crater like a fountain of molten chocolate, while clouds of ash darkened the sky like a stormy day. Despite the chaos and danger, Moltie couldn't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder at the power of nature. From that day forward, he vowed to always respect the awesome forces that shaped the world around him. And so, with a newfound appreciation for the world above and the world below, Moltie continued his journey through the land of Volcania, knowing that adventure awaited around every fiery corner. After all, in the world where mountains could breathe fire and rocks could dance, anything was possible.